Hello, this is Hank Huckle, and this is what I ate for dinner. And as you can see, I'm sort of bundled up here because it's a little chilly in my library room. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I had for dinner just because it was so good. Now, last night, my wife Kendra and I decided to make some food at home, which we like to do. So we started our special meal with a bowl of potato leek soup. We got some nice heirloom leeks at our farmer's market from the great people at Singling Farms. And there's some really friendly folks there who sell us our leeks. And we got these nice potatoes from France that were kind of purplish. And I'm not sure what they were called because I couldn't talk to the farmer's market lady because she didn't speak much English, but she sure had nice potatoes. So we took all those ingredients and made a really nice potato leek soup that started our meal. And then we decided, because it was kind of cold outside and we wanted to, just make it warm and roasty, so we roasted a nice chicken that we got from our friends at the Chickenry. And the Chickenry has some fantastic locally grown and raised chickens. We got a 3.5 pounder, and we roasted on top of some potatoes. We love potatoes, so we decided to carry it through our whole meal. And roast the potato, the chicken, and had some creamed chard, which was so good, really, really good. And then for dessert, we decided to have some cookies. So we just had we had some Oreos we dipped in milk, so that was really good. And that's what we had for dinner, and I hope you had some good dinners too. I can't wait to hear what you made. So let me know, and that has been what I ate for dinner, and I'll see you later. Bye!